Let's quickly go over to latest updates coming in from Pulwama encounter. One terrorist has been killed. The house in which the terrorists were hiding has now been blown up. That's the report we get here. Second terrorist escaped to a neighboring house during this firefight. The gun battle currently underway. Remember, the encounter started yesterday and this has been on for close to 16 hours. Last evening that it began, the encounter, it's still on. Several of these army officers now battling there, trying to get hold of the face of terror, Riaz Naiko. In fact, Riaz Naiko has been quite an operational chief for the Hizbul Mujahideen. He is supposed to be the most wanted terrorist in Jammu and Kashmir. He succeeded Burhan Wani as the Hizbul commander. And now this man has been escaping the clutches of the army for quite a while now. Finally has been cornered. The gun battle currently underway. Kamaljeet joining us for more on this. Kamaljeet, we understand that the house where he was hiding along with a few others has now been blown up, and possibly he or another terrorist have moved to the neighboring house. The gunfire is still underway. What updates do we have as of now?
Well, there are only two terrorists who are involved in the operation. This is obviously one of the biggest counter-terror operations since Burhan Wani's killing in July 2016. We've been told Riaz Naiko has been trapped. The identification of the body is yet to be done because the body is yet to be retrieved. But this is obviously a big shot in the arm for security forces. They have a confirmed pinpointed information that they were trapped in a particular house. Now, that one particular house was blown up just a short while ago. We've been told a 40 kg IED was put there. The house was blown up. Meanwhile, in the exchange of fire, just before the house was blown up, one of the terrorists escaped to a neighboring building. And this is where the second terrorist is now holed up and a gunfight is on. But in terms of pure optics, Riaz Naiko is a category AA plus terrorist. He is obviously the most wanted divisional commander of Hizbul Mujahideen. He's also the man who's in psychological operation against the security forces, whether it is about recruitment, whether it is those gun-toting videos where he's seen giving gun salute to the other militants. Then there is obviously about videos being released. So yes, he was a key face, an indigenous face of Hizbul Mujahideen, and something which security forces wanted to neutralize. Now, there were many slips in between. Remember, he's not a new operative. He's been in operation since 2012, but he has given slip to security forces at least a dozen of times in the past 1 year or so. But finally, luck has run out, and we've been told he's definitely trapped. So towards the end of the encounter, we will certainly be sure that Riaz Naiko has been killed. But yes, official process is that the identification needs to be done. So we are still awaiting a confirmation and official nod on that. But clearly, security forces at this point of time, where they have faced setbacks in the past few days, whether it is in Handwara or otherwise, this is going to be a huge boost to the morale of security forces in Jammu and Kashmir.
Right, but there isn't, is there clarity that he has died, he has been killed? Is he the one who's been killed or not? Let's quickly go over to Ashraf joining us from Srinagar. Ashraf, we have some details that one of the terrorists has been killed. There are only two terrorists in this encounter operation is what Kamaljeet tells us. What more do we know about this particular man, Riaz?
Basically, still the police. I was just speaking to one of the top police officials here in the Srinagar. He said that probably in the blast of the house, one militant, two were believed to be holed up. One has been killed, but another is still firing from another house. So unless and until this operation does not conclude and identification of the bodies is not confirmed, it can't be confirmed by the security agencies or police whether there is a Riaz Naiko is dead or not. But as far as the initial information is with the security agencies, Riaz Naiko is trapped. That is why the internet has been snapped across the Kashmir Valley. There were some clashes also in some parts of packets of the South Kashmir. Those were curbed by the police and security forces. But the police, after the operation is over, encounter is over, the dead bodies, the identification of the dead bodies will be confirmed by the police, and then the police will confirm the killing of Riaz Naiku, who is the top commander of Hizbul Mujahideen.
Right, thank you very much, Ashraf. We do know that this is an all-important operation carried out, a joint operation there by the local police, the army and the CRPF Jawans collectively coming together to clamp down on this face of terror, Riaz Naiku, who has now been trapped. More clarity on this encounter will come in soon enough. We bring you all the updates, but for now, thank you very much.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.